Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design old music art in Photoshop. In this tutorial you will learn how to create vignette inspired music cover that capture the essence of golden music era. We will start by setting up a square canvas perfect for album covers. Then we will pick a retro color palette with a faded bronze, muted reds, and warm yellows to give that nostalgic tones. Next, we will import an old microphone, vinyl record, and classic guitar image to set the mood. Use grunge paper texture. We will add aged and warmed out look. We will experiment blending modes like multiply and overlay.